Here I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of all known to everyone tool called like needle, because to eject the SIM card slot on this device you will need like extremely thin tool, like a needle. So firstly what you'll have to do is to remove back cover. It's easiest to do from this side, so you remove here. So you remove here, then you remove here, and here you have this slot. So what you have to do is to put this needle inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, slightly, and the slot will pop out. Not so slightly, I could have broken this needle, so yeah. Here on this side you have SIM 1, on the other side you have SIM 2, so let's insert SIM 1. And then put it back into our device, just like this. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.